Hey everybody, it's Stuart here, and in today's video, I'm going to lift the curtain and take you behind the scenes and show you how much I made from YouTube in 2025. The answer may shock you. Just before we have a look at the total earnings, I just wanted to show you how much work goes into ensuring the channel stays monetized. So, in 2025, I made 61 normal videos, I made 15 shorts videos, and released a new video roughly every 4.8 days. Now, if we take that over a lifetime, I have made over 900 videos for the channel up to the end of 2025. And if you have a look at the dashboard now, you can see that in 2025, my total channel earnings were $3,077.64. Now, this doesn't account for costs incurred from the channel for things such as video editing, thumbnail development from someone that I hired to do it. It doesn't include other things such as time spent on the videos. So if you have a look at all of that and add it all up, it doesn't seem like the most financially viable thing to be doing with my time. However, I need to think about it in the broader context. Having a YouTube channel has been an absolute game changer in helping me stand out as a business and a brand. It's enabled me to build more trust with clients. It has fostered a good relationship with people that are in the digital marketing world. And it also does provide me with opportunities to collaborate with people who I would never have worked with otherwise. So bear that in mind, having a look at the total YouTube channel earnings in 2025. $3,077.64 may not seem like a lot. However, from my point of view, it allows me to get a nice cup of coffee whenever I like and also take my wife out on a date when time permits. So I hope you found this video informative and insightful. Have a fantastic day, everybody.